Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be sort of a short but fun video because we're going to be unboxing NovelKeys mystery switches. So they come in packs of 70, 90, or 110. I chose the 110 pack, my brother chose the 70 pack because I have a TKL and the 90 pack was currently sold out. Let's get into the unboxing. I was hoping to not get what everybody else was getting. Mostly everyone was getting box jades or box navy, but I wanted to get something different, and you know, I guess my prayers were answered because I did get something different. Is it still a clicky switch? Unfortunately, yes. It is the NovelKeys Sherbert switch, and they are clicky indeed. I'm still happy with what I got because I've never tried these before, and I have tried jades before. Now my brother, on the other hand, opened it up and he got jades in his box, which aren't bad at all. Now, I made a choice, a decision, that whatever switches I got in this box I would be using for my upcoming keyboard build, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. Stay tuned for next week, and I'll basically be building a keyboard with the NovelKeys Sherbert switches. Now, depending on how this video does, I might also check out their other mystery item they have on NovelKeys, and that is their mystery desk pad. So if you do want me to check that out, let me know in the comments down below. As of recording this video and posting it, the only pack that's in stock is the 110. So if you did want to get your hands on some mystery switches, you'll have to get the 110 pack. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.